In today's world, clean air is more than a luxury. It's a necessity. Whether you're combating allergens, smoke, odors, or general pollutants, an air purifier can transform your living space into a haven of fresh, breathable air. This KNKA True HEPA Air Purifier, a high-efficiency marvel designed for large rooms up to 1,740 square feet. Let's dive into a comprehensive review that uncovers why this air purifier is a must-have for your home. Why choose the KNKA Air Purifier? 1. High-efficiency True HEPA Filtration. The KNKA Air Purifier features True HEPA technology, capturing 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This includes dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and even PM2.5 particles. Whether you're dealing with wildfire smoke or daily allergens, this purifier ensures a clean and healthy environment. Imagine waking up every morning without the sneezing fits or irritation caused by allergens. This purifier makes it possible. 2. Large room coverage. Designed for spaces up to 1,740 square feet, this air purifier is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and even classrooms. With its robust motor and advanced air intake system, it refreshes the air in your room multiple times per hour, ensuring constant cleanliness. 3. Smart features. PM2.5 display and air quality sensor. One of the standout features is its PM2.5 sensor, which provides real-time air quality monitoring. The display screen indicates the air quality with color-coded feedback. Green, excellent. Yellow, moderate. Red, poor. In auto mode, the purifier adjusts its fan speed based on the detected air quality. This smart adaptability makes it a hands-free solution for maintaining optimal air. Curious about how your indoor air stacks up? The KNKA Purifier gives you instant answers. 4. Silent and sleep-friendly. Operating at an incredibly low 15 dB in sleep mode, the KNKA Air Purifier is quieter than a whisper. It's perfect for bedrooms or nurseries, ensuring an undisturbed night's sleep. Plus, you can turn off all lights with a single button press for a completely dark environment. 5. Aroma-infused purification. The built-in Aroma Pad lets you enhance your air with your favorite essential oils. Say goodbye to unpleasant odors and hello to a personalized, fresh fragrance that makes your home feel like a spa. Imagine a purifier that not only cleans your air, but also adds a calming lavender or refreshing citrus aroma. 6. App and voice control. With the Smart Life app, controlling your air purifier is a breeze. Adjust settings, monitor air quality, and even check the filter's lifespan, all from your smartphone. Plus, it integrates with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for hands-free control. Who wouldn't love saying, "Alexa, purify my air," and watching it happen instantly? 8. Child lock for safety. Families with curious kids or pets will appreciate the child lock feature, which prevents accidental button presses. It's a small but significant feature that adds peace of mind. 9. Filter replacement reminder. Replacing filters is often a hassle with air purifiers, but not with the KNKA. Its filter replacement reminder and filter life display ensure you're always informed. The purifier uses an easily replaceable filter, which lasts 3 to 6 months, depending on usage. Why customers love the KNKA Air Purifier. Customers rave about its efficiency, quiet operation, and smart features. Many highlight its ability to handle pet odors, wildfire smoke, and allergens with ease. The addition of voice control and app functionality has been a game-changer for modern households. Final verdict: is the KNKA Air Purifier worth it? Absolutely. The KNKA True HEPA Air Purifier combines high-efficiency filtration, smart technology, and user-friendly features to provide unbeatable value. It's a reliable solution for maintaining clean, fresh air in any large space. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.